Oxford Reading Tree. Hiccups. Yeah. Kipper was having fun with Lee. Whee! Lee was throwing a frisbee. They had a drink. Said Kipper. He had hiccups. Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee. Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee. Said Kipper. Drink it like this, said Biff. Bend forward and drink. Did that get rid of them? Said Biff. Said Kipper. No. Try hopping and patting your tummy, said Chip. Hop, 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 hop. Has that got rid of them? Said Chip. Said Kipper. No, still have hiccups. A shock will get rid of them, said Biff. Shh. Dum 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 dum. Then boo! Wah! Oi! Woof! Woof! You did it, said Kipper. You got rid of my hiccups. Yay! Well done! But then, said Grandpa Chan. The end.